Hey everybody, good afternoon. It's Harry Swaminathan, September 5th, Thursday afternoon around 3:30 p.m. Just trying to do a recap of our open trades. And today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Jobs Friday. So it's a number that always can move the markets. And so we want to watch for tomorrow. So I didn't want to take any new positions today in front of that. But let's take a look at our positions here. And I wanted to provide a recap. Our EEM position is doing quite well. It's the profit is up $750 on my 20 contracts. So I'm going to wait for about 1,000 or 1,500, and perhaps we can take this off. In general, emerging markets have been a little under pressure. So if we can get a decent profit, we'll get out of this. GMCR, we opened this new, the short strangle this time instead of going for a straddle like we did last week, which did not really work very well. We want to try to put the strangle. So here we still have, you can see that between these two, we have a profit of about $700, and we still have about 2,500 to go. Of course, this expires next week in about 8 days. So the goal is to capture, a good portion of this. What we are showing here is a loss of 3,000, and also we have a loss of 1,200. So we've got some room to cover, but I don't think it'll be a huge issue. Our short strangle, as you can see, is between 80 and 87.5, and this is at 85.5. In fact, if we look at the GMCR, the way to understand this position, I mean, it looks complex, but the way to understand it is just look at the short strangle first on its own, and this is what it looks like. So, our zone is between about 90.8 or so, and all the way down to 77. Now, we may want to take the profits of the put side and bring it in, but we don't want to do that now. Let's see what happens tomorrow after the jobs number, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so that's as far as GMCR is concerned. Then Google again. So Google, we rolled it, and I think it's good now. Google is still at 879, but our shorts are on the put side. We have the vertical at 850, 840, and on the call side we have 900, 910. And if I remember right, we still have about $2,400 to recover on Google. So we do have a loss of 2,400, and then again this one. But we have 12,700 in this iron condor right now, invested into this iron condor. So if we can get something out of this, again, we are reaching 15 days, so it should be good. LinkedIn is doing very well today. It's gone up nicely, $9, and so you can see the position is doing very well, $1,500 profit. But I have a 25 contract position. So in general, the way we would look at this is a 10 contract position should generate anywhere from $500 to $1,000. So a 25 contract position should be about $2,000. That's when it really makes sense to take it off. So we're not quite there yet. So let's leave it as is. I may think of ways to protect this profit that we can do tomorrow, and see if we need to do anything. But today it's really up nicely, so we just leave it as is. Then the next one is Netflix. Again, we rolled it. Netflix, we have booked a profit of, let me see, I need to refer my notes, but basically we took off the 270, 265, and we brought it in to the 290, 285. So again, let's take a look at Netflix and see what the chart looks like. It's somewhat on the lower side. That's okay. Netflix has generally been bullish, but this morning it tried to go up through 300, and it got rejected. So you can see it's at around 295. So let's see how this goes. We do have a booked profit on this, and I just need to refer to my notes to come back to that. Okay, so the next position is Priceline. Again, it's doing very well. We started off with a bull put, and now today we added a bear call. So now the max profit on this is 2,700 on my 30 contract iron condor, and we already have about 975 to $1,000 in there. So this also expires. It's the September series, so about 15 days left to go. And so it looks good. We don't need to do anything there. Tesla is been very strong, obviously, and we have a bear put. Today it is down just marginally, so we are showing a loss on this, but that's okay. So in general, the plan for Tesla, if the move continues to go up, is you can see on the short side we have a profit, a really good profit. Obviously, the long side we're losing, but at any given time we can close this short side and convert this into a bull put by selling the 155. I don't think we are there yet. I think if it crosses 175, then that would be a good move. And by moving it to a bull put, then we can even sell shorter term. So here we are in December. So we may not want to go out to December to put the to convert it to a bull put. We may want to sell the monthlies before that, September, October, November, and make up and make up the loss. So we'll see. We're not there yet. I would want to adjust Tesla if it reached 175. So that's as far as all the trades are concerned. I hope everyone's having a great day. Tomorrow we wait for the jobs report in the morning, and let's see how it shapes up, and because that might influence our trades for tomorrow as well as the next week. Thanks. Bye-bye.